Here I have Motorola G41, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Talkback on this device. So firstly, let's open settings, then go to the accessibility section, and then to the Talkback. Here you can enable Talkback like this. After that, Talkback tutorial starts, and it starts to talk non-stop. So when you're in a Talkback, you can perform actions by firstly selecting it and then double tapping on it, just like this. So if you want to turn off Talkback, tap on it firstly here, then double tap here, then tap stop and double tap stop. And that's how you can turn it off. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.